So like I said, we're not going to be doing meditation this morning. So please don't meditate. Right? Don't try it, please. And because rather than seeking some kind of altered state, this is based entirely on just ordinary, everyday experience. Right now, you're present in your room. This is how we started last Saturday, I think, is you're present in your room, right? Taking a little break from the busyness, having a little break. And just be completely ordinary, just look around your room like you normally would. Hold on a minute while I switch off the lights. Oh, damn. What was that there?
Martin, your sound has gone.
He tries off the sound while he's talking to Google, Maura.
I get Google to turn off the lights, you see.
Yeah.
So that's where the sound goes. But then sometimes I forget to switch it back on again. So it's no harm at all to let me know that you can't hear what I'm saying. So, just completely ordinary. Just look at your hair, look around your room, you see all kinds of stuff, right? You can see stuff. Just check this. Just check if this is true. You can see stuff. You can hear. Very, very normal. Just ordinary. And as you sit here quietly, do you notice what's happening in your mind? Just take a little time to notice your mind. Is there any activity there? Are there thoughts and memories, hoping and fearing? Just take a little time to see if that's there. All we're doing here is just noticing. That's all. We're not trying to change anything. Not trying to change those thoughts, whatever. Not meditating, please, don't meditate. Simply noticing. What appears in mind is always changing, isn't it? Have you noticed that? Always changing. The essence of mind is this knowing aspect of experiencing. That is the essence of mind, is this ability to know. This noticing. Just take a moment to see that. There's all these things in your mind, but you notice them. There's a knowing quality. And this knowing is very open to whatever wants to pop into your mind. Isn't it? Just very open. When something pops into your mind, when there's an appearance in your mind, That doesn't affect knowing. No matter what happens, no matter what appears, that doesn't affect the knowing aspect. The knowing is unaffected by what appears. And this knowing is continuous. So you simply allow the continuity of knowing, the continuity of clear seeing. You simply allow that. You don't have to do anything to produce it. Just, it's there all the time. Allow this continuity of simply knowing. Now, when you're in that continuity, thoughts are said to be like if you write on water. You know, the thought is said to be like, you write something on water. The thought appears. Its essence is recognized, this knowing quality, just knowing, and the thought dissolves. This is the experience of how things really are. This is unfabricated. This is how things actually are. So we just rest there in the continuity of knowing for a minute or two. You could say that this knowing is the creator of all our experiences. For without it, you wouldn't have any experiences. You're sitting there, sometimes you're knowing, and sometimes you get carried away. But that changes too. Present again. Knowing is still unaffected. It's been there all the time. Continuous. You're simply allowing the continuity of knowing, the continuity of clear seeing. It's very natural. No mental effort. how it is. Or as it used to say in the Catechism, is now and always has been. This continuity of knowing. Every time that you become aware that you were lost, simply rest in natural great peace. Just rest. Don't try to overcome using mental effort. Don't try to, I shouldn't be. No. The knowing is continuous. It doesn't require any effort. So you just rest until you again become aware that you've been lost. And then you just rest in the continuity of clear seeing again. Each time you recognize mind's essence, this knowing, you simply let it be. You simply leave it as it is. And it will last for a little while. Last for a short time. You get entangled. You notice. And simply let be then. Simply leave as it is. And again, it will last for a short while.
I can put my hand forward. Oh,
We couldn't hear you there for a minute, Martin.
I know it's switching off the AC.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. This is all part of the... Do you see? This is just ordinary. extraordinary ordinary. Very simple. Okay, I'll ring the terminating bell, make it official. Stop meditating now.